Hi, I'm Liana, and today we're going to read Beautiful Oops by Barney Saltzberg. This one is pretty interactive, so stick with me. Beautiful Oops. Oops, a torn piece of paper is just the beginning. Every spill has lots and lots of possibilities. Bent paper is something to celebrate. A scrap of paper can be fun to play with. A smudge and a smear can make magic appear. A stain has potential if you play with its shape. Holes in your paper are worth exploring. When you think you have made a mistake, oops, that's a crumpled up piece of paper. Think of it as an opportunity to make something beautiful. The